Is it possible to make money on YouTube? After all, we've heard how much money some of the top influencers make through advertising and sponsorships. So, this is a question that many of us have pondered. The truth is that you can make money on YouTube, and if you're clever and savvy enough, you can make a lot of money. Almost three-quarters of young people today want to make a profession as an online video maker. In a poll of 1,000 kids, 34% said they would rather be a doctor, teacher, or lawyer than be an athlete. In fact, becoming an internet video star is more in demand than becoming an astronaut. If you asked kids 2 decades ago what they wanted to be when they grew up, the responses would be very different. That type of job simply did not exist back then. If you wanted to work with video, you could become a news anchor or work on a movie set. All of that changed on February 14, 2005, 15 years ago to the day, when three early PayPal employees created a firm that would transform the world forever. It all began with a single video of a man at the zoo. The founders of the startup were motivated by a desire to make it easier for friends to search, store, and share films. What started off tiny swiftly grew to over 2 billion monthly visitors and over a billion hours of video watched every day. YouTube, like Facebook, Wikipedia, Google, Pinterest, and other prominent social media and information sites, has become an inextricable part of our daily life. Many of us have become so accustomed to having rapid access to videos on YouTube after 15 years that we practically take it for granted. What's even more incredible is that an increasing percentage of us have never lived without it. It's difficult to recall what life was like before we had instant access to an infinite amount of knowledge. It's difficult to recall what people did when they couldn't find the solution to a query by entering a few words into a website or saying a few phrases into a microphone in seconds. It's difficult to recall what you used to have to do in order to record, store, watch, and share videos with others. It's difficult to recall a period when the only celebrities we recognized and followed were from Hollywood films, sporting events, and sold out arena concerts. YouTube is responsible for turning an unknown child who sang and played guitar in his basement into a Grammy winner. Countless wannabe fitness enthusiasts have become sponsored bodybuilders, foodies have become professional chefs, and side hustlers have become successful six-figure entrepreneurs thanks to YouTube. YouTube is responsible for providing people and organizations with the platform and resources they require to share stories, mobilize communities, and make a genuine difference in the world. YouTube will assist you in following your aspirations, achieving your objectives, and taking your business and life to the next level. This tutorial will provide you with the tools, best practices, and practical guidance you need to learn how to make money on YouTube. In addition to the advice, we've created a video with some of the greatest responses from genuine YouTube producers who are making money on the platform. In a week, how many hours of streaming video do you watch? It's probably more than you'd care to acknowledge if you're like me. What motivates us to do it? Why do we pay for several streaming TV subscriptions? Watch videos from our pals on Snapchat and Byte and get lost in YouTube rabbit holes. Consider what it means for videos if we all agree that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Videos may provide us with a lot of information in a short period of time. Videos may instruct us, make us laugh, cry, and think. Videos are simple to make, simple to view, and simple to share. This complete trio has a significant impact on our daily consumer behavior. 78% of consumers watch online videos every week, and 55% watch online videos every day, according to HubSpot.